So I've been growing some alliums. This one was Purple Sensation, and as you can see, the seed heads now are completely dried. I cut them off probably in about July, and then they've just sat in the vase for the last couple of months, drying out completely. And what I want to do today is to get them ready for Christmas. So I bought myself some silver spray, and all I'm going to do is give them a blast with this. And then what I'll be able to do with these is what I'm planning on doing with these is to line them on a mantelpiece or to use them in decorations. So I'm going to put some tea lights, some silvery tea lights, some silver candlesticks, a few little garlands and beads and fairy lights, and these as well. I might also use some of them as part of the table arrangements on Christmas Day as well. I have seen them used effectively as well on Christmas trees. Other plants with really lovely seed heads that you can spray for Christmas include poppies, sedums, yarrows, hydrangeas, the paniculatas, coneflowers, sneezeweeds, more hydrangeas, the mopheads. In fact, you can use any of the hydrangeas. Some of these can be used to dress the table, but the smaller ones will look really pretty when tied with a ribbon around a Christmas gift. To view our full range of Christmas goodies, please go to Crocus.co.uk /Christmas.